guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing two very brand new parts that will be available in this summer. So let's get right into it. Right in the front we have the Aero front and rear strut bars. They actually went in production like a couple months back, but we decided to do a little early release for you guys. These are direct bolt-on in matte black finish with the gloss black brackets on the side, CNC powder coated, the whole shebang, 9 yards. It's freaking beautiful. Okay, guys, with the strut bar, it'll pretty much maintain pressure on both sides of the car, so become a little bit more balanced. I don't think it'll make a huge dramatic difference when driving, but you know, it's minimal and it'll help along the way, especially if you pair it up with coilovers, you know, sway bars, control arms. So it'll definitely help on the long run. You know, again, it's priced fairly, not super expensive, so it's a nice little mod to have, especially in Gold Canyons. Install this is actually super easy. For the front, you just take off the 3 nuts on top of the top hat and just bolt it back down. So the torque specs, I would do like 41 all around for the front and the back. So let's go ahead, pop up our hood, and let's get these mounted. Let's get started by doing the front first. I'm gonna pop a hood. I know I said in the last video that this is gonna be the last video you can see with the WRX like this. Actually, I went to like 2 more videos. Right on top, this is your stock top hat. We have the sinus coilovers, as you can see. So all I gotta do is take off these nuts right here. It's a 14mm, okay? So take them off, slide in the strut bar, and then bolt it back down. So let's go ahead and we'll grab the tools right now, and Jerry can give him a beautiful B-roll of our dirty ass in your bay. Next step is grabbing your strut bar, place it through the holes, like so. I'm gonna get one side first. If you have a friend helping you, great. If not, you can do it yourself. It's not much difficult. Okay. Once it's in, there's indications here for left side and right side. So, and the logo is obviously facing you, so that's another way to tell which side it goes. So the third one inside is a little bit tight, so I got a mechanical wrench and then just tighten this way, but you can do either or. It's take a little bit longer. So these are good. I'm gonna go ahead, go back to the side, tighten it, and then we're gonna torque it down to 41 foot-pounds. As you can see, it looks crazy. And after we're done with that, make sure to tighten this bolt right here too on both sides. And then we're gonna take it for a test drive. Me and Jerry also upgraded our torque wrench. Actually, I did. Jerry's like, I'm gonna use the old one that's been out for like 5 years, you know? So I got a digital one. So with this, it's like 200 bucks, but it's really nice. Let me show you guys. Ready? Woo! Just like that, the beeps, you're gonna go. You don't have to, you know, use this traditional way where it clicks and you can hear it. This is a little bit more modern. Let's see. Here you go. Moving to the back, for those wanting STI wing, they're always curious if your wing will hit the back glass. The answer is no, it won't. Even with our, show the room, dude. You guys can fit like a whole ass baby here. You're gonna have to remove your trunk upper cover, and then you're gonna need to expose this right here. So most likely, if you want to show this off, guys, you can just like trim around it, but for us, we're just gonna, Jerry, should we just cut this cover off? Or you can just cover it on, put it on top and just let it be, prepare everything back. So same thing on the back, guys. Take out the 2 bolts. You're gonna need to access the side first by removing all these plastic covers. You know, the 2 bolts are here. You gotta take this trim off. Honestly, for me, since this is a show car, we're just gonna take it off. And then there's 1 clip here, and then there's 2 more in the front right here. So there's gonna be a total of 3 clips, 1, 2, and 3. Once you move those, you should be able to pop the side panel off. There's 1 more here as well, I didn't see. So there's 4 of them here. Once the 3 clips are removed, as you can see, now we have the exposed 2 nuts right there. Okay, so repeat the same steps on the other side, and then we're gonna put the strut bar and tighten everything. All right, guys, so we're ending up just taking the whole thing off, just to make it life easier. Go ahead and lay this on. Boom, perfect fitment. Oh my goodness, it's like butter. Just like that. Let me go ahead and reapply these screws here. The rears, guys, you do have a little bit more room, okay? It's a little bit easier than the front. This is an easy, quick 20-minute mod. You know, we're excited to see what it does. As you can see, there it is. Let me go ahead, tighten it down for you guys. 41 pounds of torque on the back. Boom, just like that. Okay. I know we don't have any covers. So we can do, guys, to be honest, if you want to show this bar, I mean, you just could put it back, right? You could trim around the bottom end of the cover. So we still gotta tighten up these 2 screws right here. So guys, for these bolts right here, for front and back, we would do it to about 65 foot-pounds of torque. Let's do those right now. Me and Jerry are gonna finish these up right now, and then we'll show you guys the final results. All right, guys, we have the rear on. As you can see, we took everything out from the back since, you know, we wanna go car shows and show you guys. So that's how it looks. If you wanna install all your stuff back, make sure you leave all the stuff in before you install the bar, just like the front. And if you have a top mount intercooler, you are good to go as well. Tends to be a front mount, you know, so people's gonna be asking for sure, like, will top mount fit? Yes, you're good to go. So now that we're done, Jerry, give him one last B-roll. Me and Jerry gonna go take this out for a spin. Let's see if it makes a difference or not. One last look, guys. This is it, man. I'm so freaking sad. This car is gonna be like, you know, the colors be removed, a little bit change here and there. By the way, that's if you guys don't know David is he did our tint on Jerry's VB, and he's gonna come here for us for a ride. But damn, David's gonna be first time in our VB actually, you know. 250 wheel, kind of slow, but it's cool. Let's get the car warmed up, get some turns real quick.
What exhaust are you running?
We have a whole custom header back.
That sounds really good.
Yeah, has a unequal length header, so it sounds like a STI. It does feel a bit better. In my personal opinion, like 10-15% increase. I definitely need to drive the car a bit more. I get this weekend to meet with Carlos when we film, and then Angeles Crest or Azusa Canyons, and then we'll get a better feel for the car. Because I know the car handling is already kind of like, definitely a lot understeer. Hopefully, you know, this won't change much in understeer, but the car definitely feels a little bit tighter, better than having no strut bar. So if you're interested, guys, in the product, link in the box below. They will be out this summer, like I said, only in this color, black. So if you want to get a different color, you can powder coat, you know, and it comes with stickers too. But that's it for this video. Thanks for joining us. Check out P1 Tint, David. He's here actually to wrap one of our other cars. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.